Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to be talking about Kraken. Kraken is the exchange we at fiat-to-crypto advise you guys to use, as it is the most trusted European exchange and also one of the most trusted international exchanges next to Coinbase. On the home screen we can see our portfolio value, time frames, buy, sell, and convert, whereas convert is from one cryptocurrency into the next. A watch list where you can put certain assets on your watch list to see them more easily. And then you can see the most popular global markets, biggest movers, even outside of crypto, right? You have X stocks, which is very interesting. And then newly listed assets on the Kraken exchange. As we will not be using Kraken for a lot of things other than transferring euros or dollars onto the Kraken exchange, swapping them into crypto, and then transferring them out to our wallet, we will be looking at the transfer functions. So on the top right, you see deposit and withdraw. To deposit cash or crypto, which we're going to be doing, you just, for euro, click on the euro button, and you can even use PayPal or a manual bank transfer. On the manual bank transfer, it will ask you what kind of transactions you want to do. SEPA Instant is very, very fast. Swift will take a little bit longer. So if you use this, go for I understand, go get deposit details, and then you can just copy all these deposit details out and transfer. Yeah, near instant, minimum deposit €1. Kraken fee is 0, which is very good. Some exchanges use a deposit fee, and the maximum deposit of 85,000 euros. The same way, if you deposit and you want to deposit crypto, let's say for example Ethereum, you just go for Ethereum. It doesn't really matter what network you use, as the wallet is the same for all EVM networks. If you don't know what EVM is or what a layer 2 is, check our lexicon or glossary in the Telegram channel. Click on Ethereum. Yeah, and it's very important that you only deposit from the Ethereum network. If you deposit from anywhere else, you will lose your money, in the sense from any other blockchain that doesn't use the same programming language as Ethereum does. For example, Bitcoin, Solana, Sui, right? For those, there are separate wallets and separate public addresses you will be using. You just copy out your address, go to your Rabbi wallet, move into here, enter your password, and then just send to the wallet address. Confirm, and then you can send the amount you want to send here, right? Send. It will then appear here, and you can trade it on the simple user interface. We will be talking about Kraken Pro in another video, as it does give you lower fees for trading. And that is a smart thing to do, especially in the beginning. Well, and also when you're selling, like basically all the time. When withdrawing, you basically click on transfer, click on withdraw. Well, for euro, you just click on euro, SEPA Instant, and then I have my bank account, for example, here. You put in the amount, click on review, and send it out. It is very fast. It has become very fast. Sometimes it's on my phone, on my bank account, that I look at and I look it up on my phone in 5 minutes, which is wild. If you want to withdraw crypto, you go for, let's say, Ethereum, look for which network you want to withdraw the Ethereum on, I would always recommend withdrawing onto L2s. Add the withdrawal address, and you will have to add a nickname there. Let's say Orlando base, right? You add the withdrawal address, you have to confirm it in your mail account, and then you will be able to withdraw. And that is basically it. Now you know how to deposit crypto, how to deposit fiat. If you don't know what fiat is, check that out in the Telegram as well. Then withdraw crypto and also to withdraw euro. Yeah. When selling, buying or selling, for the very beginners, we will be using this convert tool. For the next step, we will be going into Kraken Pro and using Kraken Pro to save around 0.6% in fees on a transaction. For this buying and selling, you just simply input the amount you want to sell, in dollars, and if you click on the switch button, in Ethereum, if you want to sell Ethereum into USD or into euros, and that's basically it. You just click on review and it's done, right? For buying and selling, it's literally the same. It's very, very simple and intuitive. So that's it for Kraken. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something or just got a little refresh, and I'll see you in the next video.